Good morning and welcome to a sunny Northamptonshire. This is Plants to Gardens Deal of the Week. Now, our supplier has sent us in this wonderful Exochorda Snowday blizzard. Bigger flowers than normal Exochorda. This deciduous shrub grows to about 1.5 meters tall, but can be pruned in the winter to keep it nice and tidy. But here's the deal. He sent it too many. So they've got to go. So this is normally £34. It's now £21 for 1 week only. They've all got to go. That's Plants to Gardens Deal of the Week.